With authority, without any contradiction. Those are the learners that probably have not resumed their learning for one reason or another. That the Lord will be good to them as He has been good to us, enabling us to return and resume our learning and be able today together to gather around Him with hearts full of gratitude.
I also want to urge the church, and that's the Catholic Church in its schools, together with the government, to lay emphasis on the continual protection of our values, because values are facing challenges. Values are facing challenges, and this can only be addressed if we concentrate at learners' stage. Your Lordship, I come from the media, and I just want to assure you and the teachers, school management, and all partners that we in the industry will continue to help you highlight the issues as they are.
Your Lordship, we have about 25% of our secondary schools sponsored by the Catholic Church, and about 10% directly of the primary schools directly sponsored by the Catholic Church.
Drugs and alcoholism is nowadays common in schools, and I want to urge our children, please avoid drug and alcoholism in schools, because it is going to destroy you.